ito na po yung aking nagawa na face mask. So, hello, good morning sa lahat. Welcome to Hanilin in Australia. So, ngayong araw ay gagawa naman tayo ng face mask. I'm gonna show you this one face mask that you've probably seen around na ginagamit. So, may sling. First thing na kailangan mo is yung fabric. So, kung may mga cut-off fabrics ka, mas maganda. Huwag mo itapon. Pwede pa magamit yan. You can buy this online. Or kung may elastic ka, that's fine too. Ang kagandahan kasi dito kasi adjustable na siya. Pwede mo siyang ma-adjust. So yan, kailangan natin sa dalawa niyan. And then of course, your face mask pattern. Kung wala ka pang face mask pattern, you can just Google it. And then scissor and pins. And of course, get your iron ready. Alright, so i-iron ko lang yung fabric and then I'll come back and then we'll start cutting. Alright, so yung una kong gagawin is yung sling natin. So, magkakat lang ako ng at least mga 1.5 lang. 1.5. Mas maganda pa rin itong ganitong marker. Never goes off. And then we will cut that. Straighten it first. Kasi nga, pinode ko. Ayan, so gagawin ko is i-combine ko tong dalawa. Para medyo mahaba siya. Ayan. So, it really depends sa'yo kung gaano kalapad at gaano kahaba yung gusto mo sling. Okay? Now, gagawa na tayo ng ating face mask. So, ang fabric na ito ay medyo see-through, no? Dagdagan nyo ng isa pang fabric na hindi see-through. Alright. So, cut natin. So, as you can see, medyo malit lang yung allowance. Dagdagan ko siya mga at least half. So, mga 1. We'll cut this in half. Ayan. So, we have our face mask and our handle. Ayan. So, 4 yan. Okay, so just like what I said earlier, ang fabric na ito ay see-through, no? So, dadagdagan natin siya ng isa pang layer, no? Pero dalawa lang yung ikakat natin. Set aside natin yan. Isang, Kung meron din lang naman kayong extra fabric, edi, gawin nyo na. So, dadagdagan ko lang siya ng isa para medyo makapal. Para kapag ka-matching kayo, di masyadong lumalabas yung syempre, yung particles na lumalabas sa bibig nyo. So, medyo ma-filter siya. Okay. So, we have one that has... So, meron tayong isang pares na may pang-filter. Meron naman tayong wala. So, bali ito na yung magiging filter natin. So, yung unahin pong gawin is set aside ko muna yan. Ito na muna yung aking tatahiin. So, I will combine this. Tatahin ko lang yan dyan. Ayan. So, natahi ko na siya. So, yung gagawin ko, i-flatten ko yan. Ganyan. And then, I will just iron it. Alright. So, ito yung gagawin natin. I-fold natin. I will fold this in half like that.
You're recording, baby?
Yeah. And then I will iron it. Another thing that we need to do now is fold it towards the inside sa half lang. Yung kung nasan yung linya nyo, i-fold nyo ng ganyan. Half. Ayan. So, parang gagawa kayo ng bias binding. So finally, na-fold na siya in half, so as you can see. What we're going to do now is sew it here right on the edge, and then we'll do the same on the other side, so all the way. Yeah. Alright, so tatahiin na natin siya. So kung hindi nyo nakita kanina, so yung ginawa ko is finold ko siya in between, parang ganyan, no? Parang bias binding lang siya. And then finold ko ulit ng ganyan. And then what am I gonna do now is sew it in both edges all the way. Here you go. So natahi ko na. And all the way. And then I will do the same on the other side. So natahi ko na siya. Alright, so dahil natahi ko na yung ating handle, so yung susunod naman natin gawin ay tahiin yung ating face mask. So as you can see, dalawa yan, di ba? So as usual, do it this way, and then tatahiin lang natin ito. Yeah, I will do the same with those two. Okay, so I've got this one sewn already, as you can see. Natahi ko na yan. So yung gagawin natin dito sa dalawang to ay pagsabayin natin sila. So pagsasabayin natin, ganyan. Same here as well. Sabayin. So para magiging lining siya ng ano natin, ng face mask. And then place right side together. So yung right side natin is yung brown, okay? So right side and then right side. Okay? And then yan. Okay? So i-iron lang natin to. Okay? Iyan na nyo lang. Make sure na naka-flat. Ganyan. Tapos i-iron nyo. Ayan, so this time, natahi ko na yung itaas at saka yung baba. So, ipipink shake ko siya ngayon. Ayan. And then, we'll turn it inside out. We will turn it inside out. So, pink shake ko na. And then, i-fold lang natin yung corners. And to make sure na pantay silang dalawa, fold nyo lang. Ganyan. Ayan. So, since makapal na siya, hindi ko nalalagyan ng nose wire. Okay na siya. So, yung gagawin ko na lang is i-attach ko to. Siyempre, huwag kalimutan yung handle mo. This is probably too long. So, magkakat lang ako. Cut ko lang yan dyan. Yung gagawin natin ngayon is lalagay natin to. Ayan. Yung sabay nito. Tapos pipin ko lang. Ayan. So, hindi siya maging sagabal kapag nilagay mo sa tenga mo to. So, just make sure na hindi twisted yung handle mo. Alright. So, tahiin na natin dyan and there. Ayan. So, natahin na natin yung strap. Ayan. So, just to emphasize the shape, top stitch natin yung sa taas at saka sa baba. Okay? Ayan. So, tapos na yung ating face mask. Tapos na yung ating face mask with handle. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. That's our face mask with handle. As you can see, suot-suot ko na siya. So ito yung sling kanina na tinahin natin. At syempre yung face mask. So let's try kung nagkasya ba at maganda ba yung pagkagawa natin. Ayan, so kasyang-kasya po siya. Kung hindi mo ginagamit, pwede mong ibaba. You don't have to, take off your face mask, put it somewhere, forget it. So ito, nasa neck mo lang, no? Nakahang lang sa neck mo. So, and then you can adjust that. Baka gusto nyo medyo loose or medyo tight, it's up to you. Ayan, so thank you for watching and I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. As you can see, itong face mask na to is very popular na siya sa, you can see it anywhere, yung design na to. It's not a surprise anymore. Pwede niyong gawin sa bahay niyo, napakadali lang. So thank you and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye!